Managing clients with notes, messages, and random spreadsheets gets messy fast. Airtable can replace all of that with one clean system. In this video, I'll show you how to manage clients in Airtable step by step in 2026, using a setup that actually works long term. All right. First, create a new base inside your workspace. Click Create a Base and choose Start from Scratch. Rename the base to something clear, like Client Manager or Client Tracker. Now, set the rule. In this setup, one row equals one client. Every piece of information about that client lives in this single row. Next, add the essential client fields, create a client name field as text, add an email field, a phone field if needed, and a company or brand field. These are your basic contact details. All right, now add a status field using single select. Use options like lead, active, on hold, and completed. This lets you see instantly where each client stands. Now add a notes field. Use this to store call notes, preferences, or important details. Keeping client history in one place saves time and avoids mistakes. All right, now create views. Create one view for active clients only. Create another view for leads or prospects. Views help you focus without cluttering your client list. If you work with a team, add an owner field to assign clients. You can also add a next follow-up date field to track when to check in. This prevents missed messages and forgotten clients. Finally, maintenance. Move inactive or completed clients into a separate view instead of deleting them. This keeps your active client list clean while preserving history. And that's a complete client management system in Airtable. Clear client info, clear status, and everything in one place. Once this is set up, managing clients becomes simple and stress-free.